Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update the app and verify your device supports system-level dark mode. Next, open settings and go straight to appearance. Toggle dark mode on or select system default so the app follows OS behavior. Make sure to grant any permissions the app requests for theming or overlays. Without them, some UI elements may not switch. Once done, restart the app to apply baseline changes so you can proceed to customize specific screens. Now you refine how dark mode looks and behaves. Open the theme editor to tweak primary, background, and text contrast using sliders so readability is optimal. Then set a schedule, sunset to sunrise or custom hours, so the app switches automatically. This conserves eye comfort. Enable accessibility options like high contrast or reduced transparency if elements look washed out. Finally, test individual screens and dialogues to find any mismatched colors, and make incremental adjustments. Finish by saving your theme as a preset and syncing to the cloud so you can restore it on other devices. Verify notifications, widgets, and third-party integrations inherit the dark palette. If not, open each extension's appearance settings. If colors look wrong, clear the app cache or reset the theme to defaults and reapply your preset. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the system night mode off and on, then relaunch the app. This forces a reevaluation of theme resources and often fixes stubborn rendering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.